this question now for almost 40 years. The question never changes. The answers are never correct. But it's all the same. It's what do you want from life? What do you want from life? To kidnap an heiress or threaten her with a knife? What do you want from life? To get cable TV and watch it every night? Where you sit up, look in your chair. Where do you sleep and what do you wear when you're sleeping? What do you want from life? An Indian guru to show you the inner light. What do you want from life? A meaningless love affair with a girl that you met tonight.